checking your knowledge. Just feel free and have fun, okay? Okay. And now we have 3 groups here, and this activity is called We Are Fantastic Friends. Okay? Can you tell me what is the interesting thing in this sentence? We are fantastic friends.
Fantastic.
Yes. 3 words with the same letter. Yes. F. And now I will distribute letters for each group, and you should create your own name for your own groups. Just only beginning with these letters, okay? S for this group. S, yes.
Have you given this?
B is for this group, and which letter you have? M. 3 adjective plus 1 noun. Okay? 3 adjective plus 1 noun. For example, we are tolerant, talented
Teachers.
One more adjective. We are. It's just example.
True.
We have not T. Tolerant.
Truthful.
Talented teachers, and you should create your own name for your group. Okay? Just beginning with those letters you have. 3 adjectives plus 1 noun. Okay, be quick. You have only 2 minutes, and before the time is up, which group is ready? You will tell. It's kind of cap. You make a crown, yeah. Good job. Okay, winners. The winners, if they have true answers. What about you?
Should I write the nouns?
3 adjective, 1 noun.
Okay.
3 adjective, 1 noun. Okay, quickly. Time's up. Time is up. Time is up. Okay. First group. Present your own name.
So we are specific, sociable,
Strong.
self-confident students.
Really good job.
We are dedicated, dear, devoted doctors of science.
What about yours?
The word is noun form is miracle.
Miracle.
Okay, beautiful. Musical.
Miracle, musical. Miracle, musical. Motivated. Minions, for example. Minions.
Say miraculous. Miracle is a noun.
Miracle.
Motivated and
Miracle. Okay.
musical.
Musical, motivated. Okay, your task will be for the next lesson. You have lost. For this reason, you should take 10 adjectives beginning with M. Okay? Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much. Now we'll present our today's topic.
So, hello everybody, how are you? Can you give me a high five? High five. High five. High five. So nice to see you again. So if you can see on the board, I have written our today's sentence. What is it? Pretend that you are grade 6 learners. Do you know?
What are you doing?
Yes. What are you doing? Is it past continuous or is it present action?
It is present.
Okay, let's change this present action to the past one, okay? So, if you can see, there is, what is it? There is a line. Imagine that this side is present tense, this side is past tense. And in the past tense, at a particular time, I do something. I was doing something, right? Clear? For example, is it past continuous?
No, present.
Is it past continuous?
Yes.
Is it past continuous?
Past simple.
Past simple. What is it?
Past continuous.
It's past continuous. Good job. So let's try to make some sentences. In this task, I will explain you what to do. I will show you the actions. You should guess the actions by the help of these scaffolding words. Okay? So let's read. Sweep.
Vacuum.
Wash. Good job. Let's create past continuous tense with these words. So, she, he, or I. We, they. Okay, so what is missing here? Is it was or were? Let's define it, okay? I will show you the person, the action, you will guess. Okay, so, she, auxiliary verb, is, was, sweeping. Okay, again. He was cleaning. Okay, dusting. They were
Mopping.
What does it mean? Let's do like that. Let's do.
In the progress.
In the progress. What kind of suffix is it? ING. Okay, so Marifat, will you please show me the one action of this structure? Others will guess.
We
Were
listening.
well done. Great job. Great job. Okay, let's fill in the gaps. In this case, so he, she, I was. Okay. They were. Is it correct?
No.
What letter should we do? Okay, well done. So in that case, let's show together the action sweeping, okay? Together. So, show. We were cleaning. Sweeping. Once again, dusting. We were dusting. Okay, good job. Next step. Thank you. You were great. Thank you. Your team. Wait, sorry.
Now, dear pupils, let's practice what we have learned, okay? Now, I am going to distribute cards and cards with the clocks, okay? And when you get your cards, you should write the sentences with past continuous tense. And the next step, as soon as you finish writing your sentences, you should pay attention to your card. There are numbers, number ones and number twos. If your number is 1, you should stand in the first line, okay? o'clock yesterday, you should ask question and your partner will show you clock and they will answer your question, okay? The first step, I will give you 30 seconds to write your own sentences in what tense? Past, continuous tense, okay? What we're gonna do now, the first action, what we will do? Shakita?
We will write
At the back?
at the back of this clock.
Sentences with the past continuous tense, yes? Look at your clocks and what were you doing yesterday? Okay, write your own sentences. What were you busy with at that time according to your class? Okay, 30 seconds. Okay? Have you finished? Yes. Okay. The first line, welcome. The first line. The first line. You should stand in the first line according to your numbers. The second line. The second line and the first line. You should look. Here is the line for first and the seconds, yes? And now you should show your clocks to each other. And you should show your clocks and according to the structure, you should ask a question to each other and interact, okay? And the seconds should answer. 1, 2, 3. Let's start.
Find your peers.
What were you doing? So what were you doing at 9 o'clock, yes? 5 to 10. 5 to 9. 9:55.
5 o'clock for the temperature check. 5 to 9.
Okay.
What
So
were you doing at 3 o'clock?
at 4 o'clock, yes? You mean AM or PM?
What were you doing at 3?
PM. I was talking to my mom on the phone.
What were you doing at the...
What were you doing at 7 o'clock, at 7 PM yesterday?
Yesterday at 7 p.m. I was
Very good Switch. Okay, thank you. What were you doing at 6?
Thank you.
Well done. Great job.
Have you finished it?
The next step is
So, are you ready for the activity part?
Yes.
We will play a little game which is called alibi. Do you know what is alibi?
No.
Have you ever heard about it?
No.
Alibi is an evidence that can show to the police that you are not suspect, you didn't do any kind of crime, you were somewhere else, not at the place of the crime. Is it understandable?
Yes.
In Russian, it's alibi.
A-L-I-B-I.
Okay, so now we have to divide you into three groups. We already have 3 groups. I need 1 volunteer from each group. Okay? From each group. 1 volunteer from each group. You will come out with me for a second, and my partner will explain to the others what is your role. Have fun!
So guys, look at me. So they are suspects, and you are, all of you, detectives, okay? And just now, yesterday, at 4:30, someone robbed the shop. So they are just suspects. Just now they will come back, and just, when they come, just sit in their own seat, you will give some questions. What were you doing yesterday at 4:30, and other questions to find out just he or she is crime or not. Yes. So and then you will give questions only for 1 minute. Only 1 minute. This suspect just goes to the other group. Just you will round as a clock turn. Yes, clock turn. And at the end of the activity, just the suspect who has more voices will be the real robber. Okay? Are you ready? Just know you should do what we're doing using past continuous tense. Are you ready?
Yes, we
are
are ready.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Our suspects, welcome. Our suspects. So, our suspects will have to sit in one group, and detectives will ask questions for a minute. Then suspects have to change their places clockwise. Okay? Ask questions. Ask questions. Everybody.
At 4:30, I was at home cooking dinner
Ask
and
questions.
preparing.
Where were you? What did you do?
Where were you at 4 past half past 4?
My friend's name is Julie. Why did you meet? Why did you meet with her?
Don't forget about this one, okay?
So the question is, we decided to talk to each other because we haven't seen each other for a long time.
Class.
Yes, yes, yes.
Suspects, change your seats. Clockwise. Switch. You can start your session.
What were you doing at 8? We think that you are a crime.
Why should you say so?
Okay.
I was late.
I work for a Microsoft company. How can I steal?
You're here.
My group.
Ask questions. Begin to ask questions.
At 4:30
Well, I was question.
I was going to the shop.
What were you doing? Can you remember the last time you saw
Yeah, I was coming here.
With it, my first.
where were you at 9 o'clock?
Our suspects, welcome to the court. Suspects, we need you here. So, now, we need to find the person that did the crime. I need your votes. We will have a poll, small poll here. What do you think? Who did the crime? Who robbed the bank?
Okay, who thinks Diora is Diora did the crime? Who thinks? Just raise your hands. Who thinks that Diora did the crime? Only one?
Okay.
Okay. Who thinks that Gulnaz did the crime? Two. Yes, three. Okay. And who thinks that Hafiza did the crime? So trying to confuse us.
Why do you think that I am suspect? You were in the you were going to the shop?
Yes. Ah, very good.
You were in the street with your friends, so that you were the suspect. Yes.
So
Because we haven't seen each other for a long time. That's why we were shopping.
yeah. Right. So this Hafiza did the crime according to you, to our detectives, and she is guilty. So yeah. Thank you very much, guys. And so, today, what was the topic for today? What did you learn today in our lesson? Past continuous, yes? Is past continuous, is it finished action? Just you mean just a sum, up or down? Just a past continuous, finished action. Up, down.
No.
What about the others? Can you show?
One more.
Is past continuous finished action? No. Like this?
Because it is continuous, that's why it is not finished.
In past continuous, is the action in the past or present? Is it in the past? In the past.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. I went to school. Is it past continuous?
No.
I?
When? When?
I went to
Very good. Very good. Is there anyone who is a Samsung? No. Yes? Very good. And you were doing an activity about robbery a little time ago. Is it past continuous?
No.
Why, Mr. Jasper? Why you think no?
Okay, no. I mean, yes, sorry.
Yeah.
My mistake.
Yeah, it is just you were doing, it is just a continuous action a little time ago, so it is just past continuous. Do you understand?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you very much for your attention. Very good job. Nice job.
Very good job. Finished?
Nice job with 5 presenters. Very nice job. And paired teaching. Yeah. Do you want to do a little feedback now? Yes. Just very quickly. You have your feedback form. Yeah, you have feedback form for your participants, your colleagues. Be sure you complete those and give them to me. We do the reflection tomorrow, not today. So I need your form, your reflection on one side, the peer feedback on the other side. So please bring those to me when you finish the feedback. Tomorrow I give you the paper back. You do the reflection. Yeah.
No, I wanted to ask, they should give back the first group's feedback, yes?
Yes. For the first group. Yeah. Any questions? You got it? I think you have it. This was a wonderful presentation. I enjoyed it very much. Very quickly, I saw thumbs up, thumbs down. I saw paired teaching, 2 people together, very hard to do that. And you did it well. It was creative. And TPR, I saw total physical response. I saw nonverbal. Very nice nonverbal with the students, not the teacher talking all the time. Yay. Very nice opening. Some of the participants were less cooperative. They weren't paying attention. I don't know what we do. The adjective for miracle is not miracle, the adjective. Good job, miraculous. It's a tough one. Miraculous is an adjective, not miracle. And the 3 adjectives, T, that was very cute. It was very engaging for starting the lesson. Excellent job. Very good review of instructions, very complicated instructions. You had student helpers, that was good. 9 pairs for the lineup. 9 is a lot. And you did it well. So congratulations. And the student talk time was good. Not great, but good. You're on the way, I think, to a really communicative approach. Thank you so much. Other comments? Something I missed? Something you want to add? As usual, group 2 is paying no attention because they're getting ready for their presentation.
Sorry for that.
Yeah. So, Dunoza and Gulnar and Dilnavoz and Nilufar Ibrahimov and Shoira, you're all set. You can rest. Yes. It's always hard to be first, but then you're finished.
Yeah, then we can relax.
Thank you for